Thank you so much, ayun, sa Star Magic for this beautiful career sa ABS-CBN. Yun nga, sabi din ni Enchong, para ba to? Ang hirap pala pag ang dami nanonood, no? Huy! Nagsimula din ako without any talent. Paras kami ni Enchong. I don't know how to sing, to dance, to act, but what I only have are dreams and hope na sana ay maitawid ko yung pamilya ko. And yung isang dream ko din na mapanood sa TV everyday. But after 20 years, parang everyday pa rin naman. So thank you so much for fulfilling my dreams and for giving me this wonderful journey na meron ako ngayon dito sa ABS-CBN. And I also learned with those 20 years is that your talent will bring you in the room and open doors for you. But your attitude will define how long those doors will stay open. Kaya let's never forget to say thank you and be grateful for all the opportunities na binibigay sa atin. It's either big or small. Pag pinagsama-sama mo yon, it's a dream that you never thought and your younger self will be proud of you. Na masasabi niya talagang, ay, congrats self, ito na yung narating mo ngayon. So let us not forget lahat ng tumulong sa atin. Especially, I just want to thank